Hi everyone, I'm Tommaso Rossi and I'm Process Engineer at Lab. I'm here today to invite you to our next masterclass where we're going to see this unique line for the production of drywall profile. The line, in fact, is composed of various modules. The first one is the embossing system that embosses the surface of the profile, and then we have the semi-automatic packing system where the operator creates the small bundles that are delivered to the palletizer system that create the big bundles that are closed and locked here with the big strapper machine that has also the possibility to add the wooden beams underneath the big bundle. So if you want to know more about this system or our production range that we have, contact us enj.com or subscribe the link. See you to the masterclass. Bye.